Softball is one of America's most popular outdoor games for spectators and for players. We're going to look into some of the fundamental techniques of pitching, catching, fielding, and batting. And we'll see that softball is a team game, demanding constant cooperation among the members of the team. Working especially close together are the pitcher and catcher. Let's concentrate first on the pitcher alone. And here's an expert to demonstrate hurling techniques. Within the rules of the game, the pitcher has room to develop many kinds of pitching: curves, drops, a rise ball, and a fastball. Most important of these is the ordinary fastball. For the fastball, delivery is made from the tips of 2 fingers and the thumb, with the palm up. The pitcher takes his stance, both feet touching the plate, both hands on the ball. He takes 1 step forward as he brings his pitching arm back, then the arm comes swinging through in the pitch. Watch again the technique for throwing a fastball. See how arm and body follow through all the way. Curves are delivered by making the ball rotate. A twist to the right gives you an in curve, breaking in toward a right-handed batter. The opposite twist produces an out curve, breaking away from a right-handed batter. Here's the in curve. To deliver a drop ball, hold the ball like this and deliver it off the fingertips with a forward spin. Watch the abrupt drop. The softball pitcher can also deliver a deceptive slow ball, which will confuse the batter. Even in slow motion, the slow ball delivery looks almost exactly like the fastball. But look, the ball is held between 3 fingers and the thumb, palm of the hand downward. Thus, the ball slides from the fingers, going to the batter much more slowly than the fastball. With a similar grip, by using the wrist and fingers to give it a backspin, the ball may be made to rise or curve upward. Here's the rise ball. Here's that slow ball. And here's the all-important fastball. In a game, one of the catcher's most important duties is to size up the batter and signal for the particular pitch that he feels will make the batter strike out or hit into an easy out. The catcher's mitt is the target for the pitcher. Put it right there. All right, batter up. Let's see how the boys play the game. Signals, get set for the pitch. There it is, strike, and an easy toss back to the pitcher. Let's try a rise ball on this batter and make him hit under the ball. Tossing off his mask, the catcher gets under the ball and takes it for the out. Again, an easy snap toss back to the pitcher. Let's see that again. Ball back just behind the ear. A snap of the wrist completes the throw. This snap throw is accurate and fast for short distances. Notice that the catcher's hands give slightly in receiving the ball. Teamwork between pitcher and catcher can't always prevent hits. There he goes, center fielder has his eye on the ball, and a speedy return to the infield holds the runner at first. And now on the first pitch to the next batter, the runner tries to steal second. But a fast snap throw to second, and it's 2 out. The catcher's fingers extend upward for a pitch above the waist, fingers down for a low pitch. Now a hard grounder that draws the first baseman off his base. As the pitcher covers the base, the catcher moves down to back up the play. 3 out, while the new team in the field warms up. Let's watch some of their techniques. Infielders frequently use an underhand whip throw, like this. Sometimes an accurate short toss saves time. Slow motion shows how one smooth, continuous motion gets the ball away fast. Reaching to meet the ball, the first baseman keeps his foot on the base whenever possible. All right, play ball. Keep your eye on the second baseman. He gets in front of that grounder, and then a quick whip nails the runner at first. Remember, in playing grounders, move in fast in front of the ball. Make your throw part of the motion of picking up the ball. Outfielders play bouncing balls the same way. One out, and the second batter's up. It's a hit, but the center fielder gets it to hold the runner at first. Here comes the next batter, and we're going to see some fast infield teamwork. Shortstop and second baseman cooperate in covering the base, and it's a neat double play to end the inning. To start the next inning, here is a left-handed hitter. The outfielders generally play nearer right field for a left-handed hitter. A high fly, right fielder moves quickly to take it and throw it in to the infield. Let's watch that play again. An outfielder needs a sharp eye to judge flies and get under them. Then a forward stride and full follow-through add power to his throw. What chance has the batter against all this defense teamwork? Here, in slow motion, is good batting form. A side stride starts the swing, the bat moves parallel to the ground, and a full follow-through adds power. Notice, too, that the batter keeps his eye on the ball until the instant it meets the bat. A full, hard swing meeting the ball squarely has good chances of becoming a hit. But even a powerful, long hit can sometimes be caught for the putout, and good fielding ends the inning. What's this? The new team at bat seems to be plotting something. The batter is raring to go. The fielders size him up and play to the left, which is just what the batter wants, because now he's all set to place a hit in right field. The next batter will try to advance his teammate to second. Here's one way, a sacrifice bunt. The batter goes out, but now there's a runner on second. Let's take another look at that bunt. On the pitch, the batter pivots to face the pitcher. He taps the top of the ball. Again. Watch how he holds the bat loosely and lets the ball bounce off the bottom of the bat to fall along the baseline. Now let's get back to the game. One out, remember, and a runner on second. Now's the time for a real power hit. There it is, and it looks like it will score a run. With a runner on third, the base coach stands by for teamwork. A long fly sets the stage, and the runner holds his base until the coach signals him to run for home. A good slide into home plate brings in another safe run. In slow motion, watch how the runner hooks the base with one foot as he slides away from the catcher's effort to tag him with the ball. And so goes the game. No matter who wins, softball is a thrilling game that calls for individual skill, good teamwork, and above all, good sportsmanship.